Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is February 21st, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down by about 5 points. Right now they're sitting at 27.82 per contract. All in all, the futures, believe it or not, around 10, 11 o'clock were much, much higher on China-U.S. trade talks, and then they have slipped back down. So right now we are trading lower by about 5 points. We're not going to make too much out of this. We'll see how today plays out. Again, the markets have struggled the last couple of days, but last week they were up big. So could they be digesting the gains? That's a possibility. Or maybe we're due for a little bit of a pullback. That's also a possibility as well. So we'll see what we get. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get started here. We're going to start off the day with Agilent, ticker symbol letter A. Stock right now is trading at 77.01. They reported earnings. Closed at 78.58 yesterday at the close. So a little bit of down ticking here for Agilent. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings today. I don't think there's a whole lot to do just yet. So we'll just sit tight. We'll let it play itself out a little bit. But keep it on the radar. We may look at this one once the opening bell rings. Next up, we have Albemarle, ALB is a ticker symbol there. This stock closed at $82.82. Now trading at $87.95. So nice little pop there. I think there's a lot of resistance around the 90 level, so keep that on the radar today. Next up, we want to take a look at CAR, which is Avis Budget. Stock right now is trading at $32.57 a share. This is on the back of earnings, closed at $29.41. So this is a pretty good little pop. There's a fair amount of resistance up here around 32.5, also more around 34 bucks. So keep that on the radar. If you own it, trail the stop loss. This has been beaten down equity, so we'll see if it can get a little bit more upside. But again, if you own it, you do want to trail the stop loss immediately. Let's take a look at Cheesecake Factory. Ticker symbol is CAKE, cake. And what you're going to see here is the stock is trading at $46.50. Briefly shot up above 48. Closed at $46.38, so no real movement there. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see what it tells us, and we'll take it at face value for now. Let's take a look at GoDaddy. GDDY is a ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $75 a share. Closed at $72.39, so good little pop there for GoDaddy. When I look at this name, though, I have to think that we're probably hitting pretty good resistance around these levels. Now, it's not really a stock that's an easy short by any stretch, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Any level around 78, I do think can be scalped to the short side. So keep that on the radar. 78 would be your best bet. Let's take a look here at Jack in the Box. JACK is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $82.89. Closed at $78.82. So good pop there. Resistance for this one will be around 85 and more resistance around 87.50. So keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at Chinese ADR. NetEase, NTES is the ticker here. Stock is trading at $229.50. Closed at $232.62. So a little haircut there. I don't think there's anything terrible out here for NetEase. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. We'll look at this one a little bit later. Let's take a look at Pan American Silver. Ticker symbol is PAAS, PAS. Stock right now is trading at $14.50. Closed last night at $14.69. So you got a little bit of down ticking. I do think there's still a lot of support here at $13.75 if it gets there. So keep that on the radar today, $13.75. Pretty good daily chart support. Let's take a look at Strum Ruger. RGR is a ticker symbol here. Gunmaker right now trading at $59.39. Closed at $59.49. So no real pre-market movement there. Let's move over to Synopsys, SNPS. Stock right now is trading at $104.99, closed at $103.02. So this is a pretty good little pop here. We'll see how this plays out today. Again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Next up, let's go to Hormel Foods. HRL is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at, let's see what we got there. $42 a share, closed at $43.13. I will have gap level ready for this one. So I'm looking at it right now. I'll have that posted up in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 o'clock. So again, HRL will be in play today. Let's go over to a nice big gold miner here, Newmont Mining. Stock is trading at $36.21, closed at $35.40. So Newmont holding up pretty well. This has been a strong name lately. Let's take a look at Norwegian Cruise Line. NCLH is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at 57 a share, closed at $53.70. So that's a pretty good pop. Again, a lot of resistance up here around this area all the way up to 58. That's a major pivot for Norwegian Cruise. Really going back to probably September, October. So again, 58, a lot of resistance in play there. If it gets through there, there could be some running room. Let's take a look at SFM, which is Sprouts. Stock right now is trading at $24.55. Again, closed at $24.14. No real movement there. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll do one more here. Wendy's, WEN. Stock is trading at $17.01. Closed at $17.64. I'm not seeing anything I really love for Wendy's here. Fair amount of support around 16.25 if it gets there. So keep that on the radar for a little bit lower price level. If it does get there, there could be a play. All right, let's move over here. Let's talk about gold real quick. Gold down $10. Gold has been very, very strong as of late, but today it is sinking a little bit. Gold right now on the GLD trading at 126.17. Spot gold trading at $1,337.90 an ounce. Let's take a look at crude oil today. Lower by 8 cents. Right now trading at 57.07 a barrel. Oil's been on a tear to the upside recently. And we'll take a look at the USO here trading at 11.91. Basically right where it closed. Closed at 11.94 yesterday. So again, gold down a little bit. Crude oil down just a touch. And we'll see how this all shakes out today. Should be an interesting trading day. We have lots of moving parts out here. Futures down 4.5 points. With that being said, everybody, if you have not done so, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2019, a dynamite 2018 as well. And again, if you want to trade right alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. And we'd love to see you in there. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you all on the charts.